the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. We'll take a look at the Doppler radar over the course of the day. And we did have isolated showers around this morning and pushed inland during the afternoon. Not a lot of rain, of course. And again, the winds are coming down, so our atmospheric instability is going up. A quiet evening across the region. The key to our forecast is this upper level high pressure system that's parked over the southeast. If it was in this position and we didn't have El Nino back in August, we'd have a problem on our hands because this is bringing in a rich tropical flow off the Gulf, and it's situated right there. So it's going to rain scattered about the next couple of days. But El Nino is gone and the high is building over us, so it dries out Friday night, Saturday, and into Sunday. But Sunday evening, this moves to the west. That gives us a northwesterly flow as opposed to a southwesterly flow aloft. That is a huge change, and that's going to send the first cold front of the season through the area. And it does appear, several people have asked about this, with this northwesterly flow, that this will ultimately end our hurricane season, and that happens on Monday. That's not very far away. There is the big bubble of high pressure and this frontal system running into it, so that cold air behind this is not coming in our direction. But this will, as that high moves back off to the west, that'll allow the front to ride over the top and come down into our region. So this is the real deal, although it will be considerably modified by the time it gets to South Texas. But the cooler air moves east and then south right on the heels of that northwesterly flow. Cooler, drier, lower humidity, and not as hot, and only isolated showers with this particular front. Normally we'd see a little bit more rain, but because of the angle that it's coming in, we will just not pick up enough tropical moisture out ahead of it to do anything. That's happening tomorrow, and you can see out here there are breaks in the dry air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere as that brown is starting to go away and the dry air is going away. So we're left with showers along the coast in the morning about 8:30. They slowly push inland during the mid-afternoon and then die out as we approach sunset. We'll start it all over again on Friday morning, and then the showers linger till early afternoon and then die out. Saturday looks to be hot and dry again. Rainfall amounts, again, we're talking about something significant, about an inch or a little bit more than that in some spots. Other spots will only see about 1/10 of an inch of rain, so it varies widely, but generally heavier along the coast, lighter amounts inland with this round. 88 right now, will drop to 82 at midnight. The winds come down to single-digit values. We start to pick up some coastal showers. This looks like a lot of rain, but it's only going to be a little bit of rain along the coast and here in the city early in the morning. Tropical showers in 75, scattered showers at noon and 88, and warm and humid at 5 p.m. tomorrow. So the high temperatures tomorrow reach 91, down from 94 today. 97 though, still hot inland at George West, and this is why that front is so important. This area has a low chance of development. Even if it does, it's going to be way south of us, so not to worry about. And of course, Lorenzo moving up to the United Kingdom. All right, the winds, they are breezy now, but they get light by morning. So here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Scattered showers tomorrow and Friday, 91 to 90 respectively, then drying out for the weekend, back up to the high temperatures in the 90s. Isolated showers with the front, and Palo, it drops off into the 60s for low temperatures behind the front next week, and highs only in the 80s. That's next week, and it starts on Monday.
All right. Sounds like it's going to be a wet one, though, tomorrow for football. Thank you, Dale.